Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular mini PCs, KAMRUI Mini PC and Mini PC. These two mini PCs have some excellent features, and we are excited to share our review with you. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more tech product reviews. Let's get started. The KAMRUI Mini PC comes with the newest 11th Gen Intel Celeron Jasper Lake N5105 quad-core CPU, which provides up to 2.9 GHz. Compared to Gemini Lake J4125 N5095 and 5100, its performance is plus 35% and GPU is plus 78%. On the other hand, the Mini PC comes with the 8th Gen Intel Core i5-8259U processor that provides the latest max turbo frequency up to 3.8 GHz. While both devices offer excellent performance, the Mini PC has a slight edge over its competitor with its 8th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. Both mini PCs provide ample memory and storage. KAMRUI Mini PC comes with a high-speed 16GB DDR4, along with built-in storage of 512GB M.2 SSD. In contrast, the Mini PC comes with 16GB DDR4 and 512GB M.2 SATA SSD. KAMRUI Mini PC provides the option of up to 2TB storage, while Mini PC offers the option to expand RAM to 32GB. Both Mini PCs, however, have excellent memory and storage capabilities that enable them to multitask and run demanding software with ease. When it comes to connectivity, the Mini PC has a slight edge over KAMRUI. The Mini PC comes equipped with USB 3.0 and USB-C for easy connection of various devices. Furthermore, it has Wi-Fi 2.4G plus 5G dual-band networking that ensures stable, high-speed data transfers, even in crowded networking environments, with Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity. KAMRUI Mini PC, while offering USB 3.0 and Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, lacks USB-C, which could be a downside for some users. When it comes to display options, both mini PCs offer great features. The Mini PC has Intel Iris Plus Graphics 655 in stunning 4K UHD resolution, making it ideal for home theater. It comes with HDMI, 4K at 30 Hz, and VGA connectors, providing a multitude of display options. KAMRUI Mini PC, on the other hand, provides users with a high-quality experience close to a desktop computer. While it doesn't have the 4K UHD resolution option, it is still capable of handling tasks like browsing the internet, editing documents, and photos editing. Finally, let's talk about extra features that come with each of these mini PCs. KAMRUI Mini PC is an excellent choice for industrial machinery monitoring and data monitoring, laboratory data monitoring and detection, and commercial and home security monitoring equipment. Mini PC, on the other hand, can be used for point-of-sale terminals, digital signage, kiosk displays or workstations, and school education and home online learning. Additionally, KAMRUI Mini PC comes with a reasonable price compared to Mini PC, which could be a significant factor for budget-conscious buyers. That was our review comparing KAMRUI Mini PC and Mini PC. Both of these mini PCs are great options with excellent features that can handle a wide range of tasks. While KAMRUI Mini PC is cheaper, Mini PC has better connectivity options and a slight edge in performance with its 8th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. We hope that our review helped you make an informed decision about which Mini PC would be the best for your needs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech product reviews.